In the glimmering cosmos, where galaxies swirled like cosmic dances, and nebulas painted the velvet canvas with hues of amethyst and emerald, lived Barbie, the Starlight Princess. Her hair, the color of spun moonlight, cascaded down her shoulders in gentle waves, each strand shimmering with stardust. Her eyes, pools of liquid starlight, held the secrets of distant galaxies, reflecting the birth and death of stars, the ebb and flow of cosmic tides. Barbie wasn't just any princess. She was deeply connected to Lumina's magic, the life force of the stars, the very essence that kept the universe alive and thriving. One day, a creeping darkness, like an insidious shadow, began to spread across the star-filled canvas of the universe. The Shadow Blight, an ancient evil from the deepest, most desolate corners of the cosmos, was awakening. It sought to extinguish starlight, to silence the celestial harmonies, and steal Lumina's magic, plunging the universe into eternal night. The vibrant stars, once jewels in the velvet sky, began to dim, their light fading like whispers in the wind, their brilliance replaced by an unsettling emptiness. The celestial harmony that once resonated through the cosmos, a symphony of light and energy, began to falter, replaced by an eerie silence that sent shivers down the spines of even the most courageous celestial beings. Barbie knew she had to act. Her heart, filled with courage and determination, echoed the ancient prophecies spoken by the wise XNGZHNG Lo, the Star Elders. These ancient beings, with wisdom as vast as the universe itself, had foreseen this darkness, and foretold the coming of a hero, who would rise to protect Lumina. They spoke of a princess with the heart of a star, whose courage would ignite the fading light, and banish the encroaching shadows. With her loyal companion, Twinkle, a tiara that was not merely an ornament, but a sentient star of pure energy, the most radiant star in the universe, Barbie embarked on a perilous journey. Twinkle, with its ability to navigate through the treacherous currents of space, and sense the faintest glimmer of starlight, guided her through swirling nebulas, where cosmic gases painted breathtaking masterpieces, and shimmering asteroid fields, where ancient secrets lay hidden within celestial rocks. Along her journey, Barbie encountered magnificent creatures, beings of pure light and energy. The XNG Neo, giant, friendly birds with feathers like shooting stars and voices that sang the songs of creation, soared through the cosmos, their wings leaving trails of stardust in their wake. Celestia, Barbie's own XNG Neo, a creature of unparalleled grace and power, carried her across vast stretches of space, her heart filled with unwavering loyalty and a deep understanding of the princess's noble quest. In the shadowy depths of a forgotten galaxy, a place where even starlight feared to tread, Barbie found an XNG who, a small star fox, lost and alone, with fur that shimmered like stardust and eyes that held a spark of ancient magic. She named him Flicker, and he became her loyal companion, his playful energy and unwavering optimism a welcome light in the encroaching darkness, his small size belying a fierce determination and a surprising connection to the hidden pathways of the cosmos. Barbie's quest led her to the Lumina crystal, a shimmering artifact of immense power, a nexus of all starlight and magic, the very heart of Lumina's essence. The Shadow Blight sought to corrupt the crystal, to twist its pure energy into darkness, and plunge the universe into eternal night, a realm of silence and despair. To restore the light and heal the wounded universe, Barbie had to find the star seeds, tiny glowing seeds of pure potential that contained the essence of new life and creation. These magical seeds, scattered across the cosmos by the ancient star elders, had the power to grow into star blooms, radiant flowers of pure starlight that could banish the Shadow Blight and restore balance to the universe. Through treacherous trials and daunting obstacles, Barbie, Twinkle, and Flicker searched for the star seeds. They faced shadowy creatures, twisted beings corrupted by the blight, and navigated through treacherous landscapes, shattered remnants of galaxies consumed by the darkness. Their courage was tested at every turn, their resolve pushed to its limits, but their determination remained unyielding. Finally, after countless trials and tribulations, Barbie found the star seeds, hidden in the most desolate corners of the galaxy, guarded by ancient celestial spirits. With reverence and hope, she planted them in the barren soil, whispering words of hope and light. As she nurtured them with her own light and hope, infusing them with her unwavering belief in the power of Lumina, the star blooms began to blossom. Their radiant petals unfurled, pushing back the darkness, their light spreading like a healing balm across the wounded cosmos. With the power of the star blooms and the Lumina crystal, now cleansed and restored to its full brilliance, Barbie confronted the Shadow Blight. In a dazzling display of courage and magic, a battle between light and darkness that shook the very fabric of the universe, she vanquished the ancient evil. The Shadow Blight, weakened by the combined power of hope and starlight, receded like a nightmare at dawn, its darkness banished from the cosmos forever. The stars, freed from the Blight's grasp, began to shine again, their light brighter and more vibrant than before. The celestial harmony was restored, the universe once again filled with the joyous symphony of creation, the harmonious dance of the cosmos, all thanks to the bravery, compassion, and unwavering hope of Barbie, the Starlight Princess.